Hello viewers! Today's video about engine start button installation on Ford Explorer or any other car. Here is button for easy start engine, especially if you have a truck with hard spring in ignition lock or you have broken lock that cannot turn in start position, and it happens a lot on old cars. So what we do is take the start button relay, link here, connect the minus black wire to any metal bolt, that'll be ground, then red and blue close to red connect to black green on Explorer. Ignition's positive. And the other blue to the red blue. Starter's positive. You can find it on any car by tester. 12 volts comes only when crank. Test it with multimeter. Next we gotta install button itself. Draw cycle and drill. Then side cutters. And we cut. Better remove the panel in order to not to damage steering wheel or panel by rasp. Here we go, like a glove, and looks like always was here. Test it. It works. Now your car got style. Subscribe for new videos.